How to buy Faggot token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money, rewards and crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 8 hours ago and increased by 700% in less than 4 hours. And this token trading number 2 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your fund to wallet wallet, as you can see. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address into search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and click on here to be able to type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. After that, select a provider by clicking on pricing, click on provider, select Jupiter for example, click on apply. Now go back, as you can see, and click here on swap, and you will be able after that to get access to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Faggot token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.